We come into Arno Bay mangrove walk today. I was going to do a video at Coffin Bay, but thunderstorms happened and we only stayed the one night, so we're back at home working again, or lock working again. So we're taking today we're not rostered on, so we come out to Arno Bay. This is the mangrove walk, and there's also an estuary walk we've done. Quite easily walkable, boardwalk, level boardwalk, easy enough. It's peacefully meandering around, having a look. Saw some crabs back there. Had a look in the creek to see if we can spot fish. Can't see any fish. Nice, easy walk. Arno Bay's in there. That's the township. This is the creek that runs through the mangrove walk. As you can see, it's clearish kind of water. Stained as crab. Stained by tannins from the trees. You see little stations like that, marked bait fish, so you can chop your bait up and fish when you catch it up.
Yep.
All through.
Just did a roll down the bank.
Crab. And yes, you can fish here. I'm not sure what sort of fish you would actually capture. Nice and peaceful though.
It's peaceful.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Stumbled upon a historic site on this walk. Historic well soak site, early 1900.
There's a pump.
And there's an actual original pump. People used this for their water supply, 1900s. Yeah, water supply for, I guess, Arno Bay maybe? Like it says, historic well soak site, early 1900. Now I can only assume that would be supplying water to Arno Bay or houses close to Arno Bay. Shutterbug photographer coming through. Enjoying a little camera and a course.
I'm experimenting.
She's experimenting.
I'm trying to learn all the settings.
Learning what she's learnt. Using what she's learnt off her course, which is good.
Well, I'm trying.
Trying to, yes. These little rope markers. Still a very level walking area.
What a pretty walk.
It's quite a pretty little walk, yeah.
The creek water is crystal clear, isn't it?
The back creek water, yeah, is crystal clear. The other water not so much because of the staining of the tannins from the plants. See, it has Arno Bay through there. Arno Bay is the township of Arno Bay. This is quite a nice little walk. Leisurely stroll.
It's all little designated fish.
A short drive out of the township of Arno Bay. You can drive the beach, we didn't. You'll find Red Cliff Beach. Now this sticks out predominantly because all of the surrounding area is white cliffs. A little bit of red there, but this is the most predominant cliff of red in the area. Red Cliff Beach, you can drive the beach. We're not going to bother today with it. But yeah, this is Red Cliff Beach. Just out of Arno Bay. Again, a bit further up from Arno Bay, Port Gibbon Beach. So Arno Bay's through there. At the end of that there's a big sand dune. We didn't venture through that. This is Point Gibbon Beach, and it's a campground. There's evidence with fires on the, or charcoal from fires on the ground. But yes, camping grounds are up here. There's a lot of caravans down the other section. Quite a good find on our ventures around Arno Bay. Be nice to camp here. Come out from Arno Bay up to Darks Peak. Now, he was an explorer. He was on the expedition to explore the country west and northwest of Port Lincoln and Spencer Gulf. Dark, along with John Henry Theakstone, James Howard and one other man, made up a party that left Adelaide August 1844. So John Charles Drake, he was on an expedition to explore the country west and northwest of Port Lincoln. He was speared by a previously friendly native and died the following day. Hence the headstone. And the peak is called Darks Peak, Darks Mountain. Rough and ready days in the early times. We'll see further along what we can find.